Good morning from Golconda. Yes, Golconda. Small town here on the border of Illinois and Kentucky. This is the First Presbyterian Church. Next there, that's the Public Library. I'm gonna walk down towards the levee, and hopefully there was vulture. I passed there earlier, just driving around, and there were some vultures sunning themselves on the levee. So we'll see if we can get close to them. But yeah, just taking a little walk around the town. This is the main street here. Main Street, America. Sweetwater Saloon doesn't seem to be open either. There's a couple businesses here, but it just seems, well, I mean, it's 8 o'clock on a Tuesday morning, so. Something else, pizzas and subs. The Golconda Food Mart. It seems to be open. I'd have to get some grub there later for the camp. There's a hardware store over there. No, there was some massive wasp in the rafters here. Diver Down. Interesting. Another restaurant. Might have to try it out. I wonder if this is the courthouse? I'm not sure. Are you in a violent relationship? I don't know. I mean, you can kind of tell we're in southern Illinois. Here we go. Pope County Courthouse. Waterwork? No. No water. Small war memorial. An ice cream shop. Closed Tuesdays. Of course. Makes sense, though. Well, it looks like they maybe have more than just ice cream. Interesting. Thought I was going to be able to climb this rock, but... Sarah Lusk. The brave pioneer woman who founded the town of Golconda, first called Sarahville a century and a quarter ago. She established the first ferry across the Ohio River at this place, which she operated with the aid of her young son and faithful colored woman. Her rifle was always at hand to protect the passengers from the dangers that lurked on every side. Very interesting. Wow. Pope County Historical Museum. I wonder if this is ever open. That lady doesn't have hands. Our vulture friends have, they've slightly relocated. See if he wants to say hi. Oh, there's another guy. I see him. Oh, they're just chilling like villains over here. Somebody's waving at me. It's pretty nice community here. I mean, it seems like there's a small amount of tourists. Look at this guy. Hello, sir. You do not need to fright. Oh. You're fine. Oh, he's out of here. He's out of here. He's zooming away. There's quite a few of them. Hello, sirs. I'll just leave you alone. I won't do anything. They're pretty skittish, these vultures. That other guy went to the tower with his buddy. I'm gonna go see what's up with that. There seems to be some sort of old bridge over there. Maybe it was a lock or something. I don't know. Check it out. I think this leads to the marina. So we've got a bunch of boys now. This guy's been here for a minute now. All the brothers showed up. See if we can't get a little close to him without them flying over us and shitting on us. Hello, boys. How are you? You're kind of small for vultures, but then you fly and you're pretty big. Huh, boys? Yeah? Pack. Hmm? Bunch of big chickens.